Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make Heingaar, a groundnut and jaggery bar in Tangkhul Naga style. First, let us select some of the finest and fresh groundnuts. And let's prepare a fire to cook this bar. This is how we dry roast the groundnuts. This is how it looks when it is fried. Now let's cut the jaggery into smaller pieces to make it easier to cook. Now let's put the jaggery into a bowl and pour some warm water. Let's keep it boiling for a few minutes. This is the process of filtering out any solid particle from the solution. Again, let's cook it for a few more minutes. This is just a personal preference, but for taste and to solidify the solution, we pour a few drops of lemon onto the solution while it is cooking. Now it's time to mix the fried groundnuts and the jaggery solution. At this point of time, be very careful because it is extremely hot. We fold the paper in rectangular shape like this so that when we pour the hot solution on it, it will stay in that shape. And finally, the Heingaar is ready to eat. Let's keep it for some time to cool it down so that it will solidify and it will be easier to eat. This is one of my favorite snacks whenever I visit home, and this is one of the favorite snacks of most of the people of my village. And it's also recommended that you eat this bar along with hot water. It goes along really well. So this is how we make Heingaar in Tangkhul Naga style. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye now.